Did you overlook it? Could be you missed it? Now's your chance to do better than 95% of people. Most people settle for average. Only a few decide to step beyond. Today, I'll show you how to be part of that few. The priceless information about how to change simple things and succeed in this task. What exactly to do and how, so you can clearly understand and have a plan for success. So, the secret keys to success start with the first, and maybe the most important thing, which is the realization that most people nowadays simply coast through life. Basically, in simple words, they are doing nothing. They wake up, head to their jobs, do just enough to get by, and ultimately waste their lives by not pursuing what they truly need. Many are too lazy, distracted, or chasing the wrong goals. Consider the vast number of people fixated on their TV, computer, and phone screens. Be aware that our brains, yours and mine, are at risk of being hypnotized. Next, we live in an era where instant gratification is always within reach, providing easy entertainment at the swipe of a finger. TikTok alone has been downloaded over 4.1 billion times, with nearly half the US population using it monthly. Contemplate that fact. Almost every second person in the US is on TikTok. Other companies are surely taking note. This is just the start. Technology will only become more intricate, more pervasive, and more addictive as it begins to integrate into every aspect of our lives. Technology is increasingly intruding into our very brains, and soon into the fabric of our reality itself. It's like digital fentanyl, seeping into everything we engage in, and I'm actually glad to see and highlight this problem. Why? Because it's an opportunity. Imagine living in a place where everyone is distracted by a drug, and there's a single loaf of bread hidden somewhere at dinner time. If everyone else is too high or suffering from withdrawal symptoms, imagine the advantage you'd have as the only clear-headed person. Think about that. What I am trying to do here is to bring you to understand that in a world consumed by the constant buzz of notifications and distractions, you have to be the one person who can tune out the noise and focus, while everyone else is overwhelmed by the clamor. And as long as you avoid joining the crowd, it's easier now than ever to get ahead, and it only takes a few minutes each day. So, as soon as you realize this, you shall be ready for the step-by-step guide that I will give you now, which shall assist you in changing your approach to things in your everyday life. Step 1. Comfort zone. Thus, to start your transformation, consider the first step. Get out of your comfort zone and start making everyday small victories part of your routine. This involves easy, low-F tasks in your daily life. For example, opt for the stairs rather than the escalator, choose water over soda, or choose to watch an educational podcast rather than mindlessly opening unproductive social media apps. These actions are neither difficult nor uncomfortable. They just require you to step out of your comfort zone for a couple of minutes a day. When you do only convenient stuff, it doesn't make you different from the others. That is why you have to push yourself out of that crowd's comfort zone every day for a couple of minutes, to taste the difference and start training yourself to see from the other side. This enables you to build a daily list of small achievements, and once this practice becomes routine, you will be prepared for the second step. Step 2. Discomfort. Imagine that the comfort zone that we spoke earlier is a bubble, which you has to get out a couple of minutes a day and jump back into it because you couldn't resist it. But now, when you are in the step 2, you are out of that bubble comfortably and easy. However, now, even though you are out of comfort zone bubble, you are in another bubble, and you have to find your way out of here as well. In this step, you shall push yourself to take small wins when come to relationship with others. If in step 1 you were choosing different thing that affected only you, now in step 2 may affect and others. For example, expressing your true opinion if before you chose to stay silent. In simple words, take action to grab the ball and looking forward to the trophy. At this stage, it's crucial to gradually embrace this discomfort, much like you did in the initial step. As you progressively feel more at ease with your evolving identity, you should slowly distance yourself from those who remain within their bubble of comfort zones. By now, you might feel overwhelmed with information, but also may be excited to try it out, and maybe even impatient to experiment with it. I understand, but stay with me for the one more step, and you will have the whole picture cleared. Now, if you successfully completed the first and second step, and they do not cause any annoyance, anxiety, or discomfort to you, this means that you are ready for step 3. In this step, you need to do one painful thing each and every day. I don't mean directly to harm yourself, absolutely not. Instead, it means confronting your deepest fears, toughest tasks that toughens you up. These are the tasks that may cause you emotional pain, but ultimately help you grow stronger. Pain differs from discomfort. For example, while it might feel awkward to greet someone you're attracted to, true pain is only if they reject you. At this point, you will experience discomfort and possibly even failures. However, embrace it and remind yourself that these are essential parts of personal growth, self-development, and transformation. I know you think now, what? Why would I do this to myself? While you are right, I would like to explain the deeper meaning of this pain. In this context, suffering is a part of life that we cannot avoid. You either select the type of suffering you endure, or life will select it for you. I've opted for the controllable discomfort of working out at the gym over the unpredictable suffering that comes with becoming a sick old lady. I prefer the deliberate discomfort from reading and gaining knowledge and experience over the torment caused by naivety, ignorance, and regret. Make a conscious decision about the challenges you face while you have the chance. No need to stress. If you challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone daily while remaining at step 2, you would still be doing better than nearly 90% of people and rank among the top 10%. Following all these steps, small problems, discomforts, and anxieties will look so small to you because you will have gained just a little bit more perspective in life. And boom, the change is visible. Pain will inevitably find you as you live each day. When it arrives, you'll stand at a crucial crossroads. You have 2 choices. You can complain and wallow in self-pity, questioning why this always happens to you, or you can choose the path less traveled by most, about 95% of people. This path allows you to see every challenge as a form of strength training in the gym of life, giving you another opportunity to become stronger, gain more insight, become tougher, and better prepared for future challenges. By treating pain as an opportunity, it transforms into something incredible. Remember, pain isn't your enemy. Now that you've learned these valuable insights, it's time to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more empowering content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's continue this journey of growth together. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the power to transform your life.